In this video, I will explain to you what does quiet mode means on Instagram. So first of all, after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, scroll to down and tap on this which says notifications, this one. After you tap on this notifications, under notification you will find an option which says quiet mode. Here is it. So as you can see now, here is the quiet mode. So quiet mode means, as you can see now, Instagram explain what does quiet mode means in this session. Let's read it for you. As you can see, Instagram says your status and auto reply will be updated in quiet mode. So at night or whenever you start focus, you will get a reminder 10 minutes before quiet mode start. Means that if I tap on this turn on option, if I turn on my quiet mode, as you can see now, here is set to, as you can see, it says start from and ends, means that it will start from 10 p.m. and ends with 5 a.m. means that if I set this quiet mode from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., whoever message me in this session that I set my quiet mode, the message will not send to, I can't receive the message on my phone. Means that I will get some focus on my daily activities without getting distraction from messages on Instagram if I set the time. So you can go ahead and choose your desired time that you want to focus on your daily activities without getting any notification from Instagram. So after you set it, now you can go ahead and choose the days in this session. That's it, guys. Means the quiet mode will help you to get focus on your daily activities without getting notifications always on your Instagram. So you can go ahead and schedule the time in this session and turn it on. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.